Finally got my hands on the new Charlotte Tilbury foundation stick. It's supposed to be like a really glowy, kind of sheer skin tint, super hydrating, super radiant. I got 3 shades, 7, 7.5, and 9. 9 I think is gonna be too dark, so let's just try 7 and 7.5. This is what it looks like. Let's go in direct on this side with shade 7. That's a really good color match. I will say I struggle to find a good color match with a lot of Charlotte Tilbury products, but this one, oh my gosh. Let's blend that. It's like melting on my skin. Here's the after. Here's the before. So it's not giving like super full coverage. It is more like a skin tint in a stick. Very hydrating, very glowy, very radiant. You can still see like my skin. Just gave me a little bit of color and so much luminosity. I think 7 is the perfect shade match for me. But just for fun, let's go ahead and put on 7. I'm gonna swatch it real quick. So this is 7. This is 7.5. Let's go ahead and go on this side of my face with 7.5 though. Blend that and see. 2 shades are very similar. It's just going to be about the undertone. But even then, it's such a subtle difference. I just feel like I need to put some on my chest to match my face a little. Okay, this is shade 7.5 and this is shade 7. Honestly, they're pretty close. Even when I swatch them on my hand, like very minor difference. Let me finish the rest of my face and I'll come back with the final look. First impressions, I absolutely love it. My skin is like glowing. It is radiant. It gives like a really nice sheer kind of blurring coverage. Almost feels like there's a filter on my skin from this one product. Here is the final. I love it. Bye.